Okay, so I should call this video 16 inches of trouble, because here is the issue. I bought this 16-inch radio transcription record. I'll explain a little bit about radio transcription records, but you can see that it's a huge record, and it can't play on my turntable because it's too large. Maximum that a record player can play a turntable is 12 inches. You'll notice here's a 12-inch record over here. This is actually a 12-inch record of Lena Horne, Feeling Good. Watch when I place it on here, look at the difference. There's that much more playing space. So the problem is that I've got to find a way to actually play this. I don't have a transcription turntable. A transcription turntable would cost thousands of dollars. But I saw a video on YouTube where a guy actually sort of jury-rigged something to be able to play it, and that's what I'm going to do. So you can see over here on my table, which needs to be tidied up, but I have some bits and pieces. These actual two little turntables here are from portable ones that used to take C-cell batteries. The motors long died in them, so I'm sort of cannibalized that. But the pieces in the middle, you'll see some bits of piping here and some tightening hook attachments. There's some pins here that say tension pins. I paid $10 for that, and then I bought this, which is a pipe extender, and I had a couple of these 45 centerpieces, and I noticed that this 45 centerpiece fit exactly inside there, so that when I turn it, it'll sit on top of the turntable. Now that may be too large. That's probably 6 to 8 inches, and I want to cut it off maybe around this natural piece here. So I can raise it then above the turntable and then jury rig something. I'm going to get into that part of it in a minute. But why I bought this record is because you will see, I should show you the other side first, because this is the A side. I'm not as concerned about the A side. So it is Music Fights for Infantile Paralysis, Frank Sinatra with Axel Storel and his orchestra. Apparently there are 3 5-minute shows on here with one song each by Frank Sinatra. You can see the songs that are there. Actually, this must be the B side. There goes that song again, There Is No You, and Brahms' Lullaby. On the A side are, turn it around here so we can see it, I Dream of You, the Trolley Song, and When You're Alone. That last song is the one that I need to hear, because I'm a Sinatra fan, aficionado. I've heard lots of Sinatra songs. I have all the records, CDs with different breakdowns and rare material, and I've never come across this particular song, When You're Alone. And I have a listing of all the songs basically that he ever recorded, performed on radio shows, mostly in concert, all that kind of stuff, and that song doesn't come up anywhere. Now the mystery is here that you'll see that it's his 1945 March of Dimes campaign, broadcast between January 14th and 31st only. So this could have come from Frank Sinatra's radio show, the Max Factor show, in late December 1944, early January 45, obviously before January 14th. So I need to hear the song When You're Alone, because there could be a song by that title, which I've researched that does exist. I don't have any record of Sinatra having recorded, or it could be an early version of the song that starts When You're Alone. Who cares for starlit skies when you're alone? But the song is When Your Lover Has Gone. But and so maybe they mistitled it because they pulled that out of the lyrics. But we're going to try to figure out a way to play this record, and so this video will actually show us bits and pieces of how I'm doing that, and hopefully we'll get to the point of playing this record and resolving the mystery.